Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. In my last video I showed you how to make jeera rice in the air fryer. Yes, if you're still wondering, do check the link and also in the description below, do check it out. Today I'm going to bring this quick, healthy and flavorful dish. This air fried pakora is made using a salad packet and dipped in this yummy coconut curry, flavors of my hometown. Each bite is going to give that burst of flavors in your mouth. This is tried and tested and my family and friends love it. So on demand, I'm sharing this recipe with you all. For those busy moms and dad who love to cook, looking to make something quick and flavorful, this recipe will come in handy. So keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. I'm taking Sweet Kale Salad Packet. This packet contains broccoli, cabbage, kale, chicory and Brussels sprouts. Having a salad packet will come in handy to create yummy pakoras. Use any salad packet. To this I'm adding 1 cup of spinach, 1 large onion chopped, 2 green chillies. For some heat, to this add 1 cup of besan, gram flour or chickpea flour. One teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan rock salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder. This will help with digestion. Now mix everything together. Add 1/4 cup water. Now combine all the ingredients to see if it's binding well. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon olive oil. The measurement of water and besan depends upon the quantity of the salad packet. I'm adding half cup more besan, so in total I added 1.5 cup of besan. Now make a small ball and check to see if the ingredients are combining well. This looks perfect to me. Next, preheat the air fryer. Set the temperature for 370 Fahrenheit and time for 4 minutes. Once the air fryer is preheated, place the small ball-shaped pakoras directly into the air fryer basket. Make sure they are not on top of each other and not overcrowded. This way it will air fry evenly. When you have an air fryer, the best part is you don't have to worry deep frying. I'm also going to share the spinach pakora link in the description if you missed that recipe, because that spinach pakora came out so good and many of you tried that recipe. So I truly thank each one of you who tried and came back to me. Truly appreciate your valuable likes and comments for helping this channel to grow. Now let's air fry these pakoras for 10 minutes under 380 Fahrenheit. In the meantime, let's quickly make coconut curry. I'm using 1 large red onion cut into large pieces as you see. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds. Let it sizzle. Add in the onion and stir until it's lightly brown. Also using 1 large tomato. Let's check the pakoras now. These look beautiful. They are getting a bit brown, but they are not fully done yet. Make sure to turn each piece. Spraying a bit of oil on top will help the pakoras stay moist and not get over dry. So I'm spraying a tiny bit of avocado oil and continue to air fry for 5 more minutes under 380 Fahrenheit. Back to our coconut curry, add chopped tomato. As you see, I've cut the tomato into large pieces cause I'll be pureeing this onion and tomato. To this add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I like it spicy. Add according to your spice level and salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix. To this add 1 teaspoon ginger powder. This will help our food digest better. Air frying is beeping now, so I'm going to quickly check the pakoras. These look fantastic. I'm pleased with the texture. It has the right amount of crispness and soft inside. So good. You can eat it as snack right away. The onion and tomatoes are roasted well. I'm going to puree into a fine paste. It smells so good. Add the puree into the same pan. Add a bit of water. Shake, shake, shake and pour it into the pan. This is all good. A quick method and the flavors are enhanced when you puree after roasting. Here comes the star ingredient now, coconut milk. Add 1 can of coconut milk. Give it a good stir until all the ingredients are incorporated well. Then taste and see if you need to add more salt. The gravy is ready. Now let's add the yummy air fried vegetable pakoda into the creamy coconut curry. You can also make the coconut curry ahead of time as part of your meal prep and store it in the freezer or fridge. Let the pakoras simmer in the coconut curry for a couple of minutes and transfer into a bowl. It's not finished yet. Keep watching, for I'll be adding more flavors. Squeeze half lime juice to add in a tangy kick. And now I'm going to make Tadka Kerala style to infuse more flavors. 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 red dry chilli and 1 string curry leaves. Quick mix on medium-high heat and pour it over the delicious Pakora curry. The aroma is fantastic. Don't skip this tadka. It's the best grand finale, infusing more flavors to this curry. Looks delicious and gorgeous. Serve it in style with roti or rice. Surprise your family and friends with something new. And watch your kids eat more vegetables by enjoying this yummy Pakora curry. This is a fun way to have plenty of vegetables. Just make pakoda and just make a beautiful dinner meal out of it. I can't tell you how elegant and flavorful this dish is. You won't find it anywhere else. This is my own creation, bringing flavors of my hometown, and I hope you like it. Do try it, do make it, and your guests are going to love it, or your family and friends are going to love it. And if you do try this recipe, do tag me in Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Please share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobes.